Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and quick review of this Bukm travel umbrella. It's an upgraded 10 ribs, strong construction, windproof and compact, and with a Teflon coating which should keep it dry. Not really dry, but it will dry probably faster than comparable umbrellas, and it has an automatic open close. Here you see the details that here again 10 rib, super convenient, automatic open close, portable and lightweight, satisfaction guarantee, and quality materials. So let's see how this works. I hope I can show you this on video. It's a little bit difficult to show this umbrella here with my camera, but I'm trying everything. So here we have the umbrella. It comes in this packaging. Trying to open that. Seems to be good protection. Oh, I need a knife. So I really had to cut to open that. So you have to be really careful not to cut into the umbrella. It comes with this nice bag, portable bag. Especially when the umbrella is a little bit wet, even with the Teflon, so you can use that to store it in your bag so other things don't get wet. So we remove this protection as well. Think needs another cut. Okay, after a small cut I was able to remove this bubble wrap, and so you see that here very ergonomic. You can hold it like this. It's not neutral, so you have to really hold it, but with the button here there's anyway the best way to hold it like this. Looks really great with this metallic thing, and the plastic, it's not cheap plastic, it's really you can feel that it's a good quality and has really good grip. So it's really small, lightweight. Yeah, I really have to tell. And now let's open that. Okay, worked really good. So yeah, when I pull on these ribs, I can really tell these are really strong. This is quite strong. Definitely not cheap. When you buy something like this for $15, usually in a supermarket, then you get cheap thing. So this is definitely something else. Now we try to close it again. Press, and that's it. And when we want to reload the thing, just push it down and it's ready for action again. Open and close. Really super easy. And you can close that. It has this nice strap which you can close, and the good thing, it's long enough. So sometimes these things are a little bit short. Here in this case it looks it's long enough, no problem. Here we have also this strap. It's stretchable. That's good, very convenient. Everything looks really good. So from my side, really absolutely full recommendation, no complaints at all. If you want something cheap, but just cheap in price, not cheap in quality, good working, everything, that's a really good recommendation. I'm really happy with this. I will definitely try this in the next storm here in Florida, and I will then update the description underneath. But as long, for now, I definitely See, no complaints, full recommendation from my side. If you have any question or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.